Welcome. It is good to see you today. Today's video, free affiliate marketing training for beginners. We will show the different methods used today and what we can offer you for your own startup business. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of affiliate marketing, where financial freedom meets the art of persuasion. Picture this: you, a savvy affiliate marketer, earning commissions while sipping your favorite beverage on a beach somewhere. Intrigued? Well, you're in luck, because today, we're talking about free affiliate marketing training for beginners. Now, before you start daydreaming about beachside offices, let's explain affiliate marketing. It's like recommending your favorite restaurant to a friend. But instead of a pat on the back, you get a commission when your friend dines there. Simple, right? But, like any adventure, success begins with knowledge. Let's face it, we all love free stuff. Free affiliate marketing training is like a golden ticket to the Super Bowl. Seriously though, these resources are your secret weapon, arming you with the know-how to navigate the affiliate marketing jungle without burning a hole in your pocket. Picture this: you, in your pajamas, sipping coffee, absorbing wisdom from online courses by real-life digital marketing gurus who said learning can't be comfy. And if reading isn't your thing, we got you covered. Imagine sitting back and watching a free webinar with tutorials that turn affiliate marketing jargon into plain English. Amazing, right? But wait, there's more. Dive into blogs and articles like you're on a treasure hunt for insider tips. It's like a virtual scavenger hunt, but instead of finding hidden objects, you're uncovering the secrets to affiliate marketing success. Feeling a bit social? Join forums and groups where affiliate marketers unite. It's like a party, but with fewer awkward introductions and more shared wisdom. And for those who prefer a good bedtime story, downloadable ebooks and guides are your bedtime buddies, turning complex strategies into simple, digestible tales. In conclusion, affiliate marketing isn't just a side hustle. It's a ticket to financial independence. With free webinar and video training resources as your trusty sidekick, you're not just dipping your toes. You're diving headfirst into a sea of opportunities. So, do you care to join us? We have a proven method with the 60-day money-back guarantee. If free affiliate marketing training for beginners is for you, we have all the tools, video training, and strategies, and free support to build a successful online business so you can hit the ground running from day one. Click on the link in the description and sign up for a free webinar about such a program. You can start learning and earning today. Thank you for watching.